how to show or hide the content of a text message conversation on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in here, open up a text conversation. Now remember that these settings only apply to one single text message conversation and not all of them. So open up a text message conversation. Then tap on the More button. Next, tap on Details. Then tap on Notifications. After that, we go down and then tap on Lock Screen. And from here, you can choose Show Content, Hide Content, or Don't Show Notifications. So select one of the options. And again, this will only apply to this particular conversation. If you want to have it apply to all your text messages, then you need to do it from the settings menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.